Today making a new video, and this is a thunderstorm at the moment at the 8:22 a.m. in the middle of the morning. I just waked up, still sleeping, and we're having a thunderstorm. And I was watching videos. So this is the Springdale. We live in Springdale, and this is thunderstorm. Feels like 1 degree. I'll show you. It's kind of flashy here because this is the red. It's funny if you don't know her. So here we go. It feels no empty, but they're still in thunderstorm. Okay, there we go. I know my voice is like deeper or something. Oklahoma City. So Oklahoma has a lot of tornadoes. There we go. So this whole red is the thunderstorm. Oklahoma City is still good. It just has rain. This is all red right here. We live in Springdale, and it's happening right now. So when I was not recording, I heard a big boom. So that was the thunderstorm. Subscribe to me because it was kind of short. This video was short. Leave a comment and subscribe me so I can make a Roblox video when it's sunny outside. Okay. So now